In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PowerPoint file size. If your presentation feels bulky, takes too long to open, or won't send by email, a few quick adjustments inside PowerPoint can dramatically shrink the file without sacrificing clarity. I'll walk you through two built-in tools that target the biggest space hogs: embedded media and large images. Start by opening your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. With the file open, head to the File menu in the top left corner, then choose Info. On this screen, look for Compress Media. This option specifically reduces the size of embedded video and audio files. If you don't see it, or it's grayed out, that usually means there aren't any media clips in your deck. When you select Compress Media, PowerPoint will prompt you to choose a quality level: Presentation. Quality maintains the highest fidelity and is a great choice if you're displaying on a large screen and want smooth playback. Internet Quality strikes a smart balance, reducing size significantly while keeping video and audio clear enough for online sharing and typical meetings. Low Quality creates the smallest files and works well for quick previews, small screens, or when bandwidth is tight. Pick the level that matches how your audience will view the slides. PowerPoint will then process your media, replacing the originals with compressed versions behind the scenes. Next, turn your attention to images, which often account for a surprising amount of file size. Click any large image on a slide to reveal the Picture Format tab at the top. Choose Compress Pictures, then select a resolution that fits your needs. Think of resolution as the number of pixels PowerPoint will keep. Higher resolutions preserve fine detail but take more space. Lower resolutions save space and are perfect for slides viewed on standard projectors or shared online. For most scenarios, a web or screen-friendly resolution is more than enough, especially if the image won't be zoomed in during your presentation. As you make these choices, remember that compression is a trade-off between quality and size. Media compression targets the bitrate of audio and video, while picture compression resamples images to the selected resolution. Diagrams and simple graphics usually compress well. Photographs and detailed visuals might benefit from a slightly higher setting. That's it. By compressing embedded media and adjusting image resolution, you can cut file sizes dramatically and make your presentation faster to share and smoother to run. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your leaner, more efficient PowerPoint.